In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two websites into one in Wix. If you have content split across two different Wix sites and you want to bring everything together into a single website, this process is fairly straightforward once you know where to click. The main idea is that you will copy pages from one site, paste them into the other, and then do a quick cleanup so everything works properly and matches your design. To begin, open the editor for the first website, which is the site you want to copy pages from. Once you are inside the Wix editor, go over to the left side menu and select Menus and Pages. This is where all the pages for that site are listed. Find the page you want to move, click the three-dot menu next to it for more actions, and then choose Copy. This copies that page so you can bring it into your other site. After that, go to your Wix dashboard and open the editor for the website you want to merge everything into. This will be your main site going forward. Once the editor loads, open Menus and Pages again from the left side so you can access the list of pages already on that site. Now, in the page list, right-click on an empty area and choose Paste, or select Paste and apply Site Theme. This second option is especially useful if you want the page you are importing to automatically match the colors, fonts, and overall styling of your destination site. If consistency is important, this can save you time and make the merged site look much more polished right away. Once the page has been pasted in, take a moment to review how it looks and behaves, even though the page content transfers over. Some connected features may still need attention. This is especially true for Wix apps such as stores or bookings. You will need to reattach or reconnect those apps so the page functions correctly on the new site. It's also important to update your page URLs and SEO settings. Check that the page address makes sense within the structure of your new website. And review the SEO information so search engines can properly understand the merged content. This helps keep your site organized and can prevent issues after the move. That's the full process. Thanks for watching.